everybody, it's Alma. Welcome back to Keto Meets Menopause. You see it? It's lifted. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Good Sunday morning. Happy Vlogust Day 20. I have not done any testing this morning as far as my ketones. We decided to sleep in and just have a quiet Sunday morning together. So here I go. Came directly out of the freezer, but on my George Foreman grill, it really does not need to be defrosted. So I'm making an omelet this morning. Gonna put these on the George Foreman grill, and then we'll get started right here. Be right back. Guys, yeah, we're getting our breakfast ready. Let me show you guys. I have not shared with you how I've been doing my coffee lately. So here is my giant cup of coffee. Yeah. That's a lot of coffee. So I make my coffee in the morning. I put in my stevia, my cashew milk, and my coffee. But let me tell you what, I have not been doing the keto coffee in the morning simply because I'm trying to do, like I said, what I did when I first lost my weight. And that did not include my keto coffee. So I have a modified version, guys. But to my coffee, guys, I'm adding chia seed. It's fiber, guys. So I'll put it in, and I actually use 2 tablespoons of chia seed. I'll put it in and immediately just mix it. Otherwise, if you don't do that, it will clump up. So yeah, there's one. And if you wait about 5 minutes or so after you put your chia in, they will absorb the liquid, and it's like a thick, I don't know, tapioca coffee. It's different, guys, I know, but the reason I'm doing it is for the fiber, guys. So if you look at chia seeds, this is 60 calories, 40 from fat, so I'm still getting my fat, I'm just getting it differently. 40 from fat. A serving size is 1 tablespoon, so in this I have 120 calories, 80 from fat, and it has 5 carbs, all of them being dietary fiber. So it's 0 net carbs, guys. And I really feel like it's helping with the regularity in the restroom. So yeah, that's part of my morning ritual, guys. Try it, let me know what you think. You could always add some butter or coconut oil to it if you'd like. This is just the way I've been enjoying it. So yeah, I'm getting fat and I'm getting fiber. And those are 2 important things in my lifestyle, because with my Crohn's disease, guys, it's feast or famine in the restroom department. So sorry, TMI, guys, but yeah, that's just the way it is. So good, guys. Try it. Let me know what you think. All right, I'm in my PJs still, and well, I'm in my robe, and I am making omelet this morning. Actually more like a quiche in a pan, though. I'm not putting it in the oven. So here we go, guys. And this, honestly, guys, would be something that you could easily do in your crock pot overnight. In your crock pot, put all your ingredients in your crock pot, including your eggs, put it on low, and cook it for 6 hours. You know, set it at midnight. In the morning when you wake up, you're good to go. All right, just a tip in case you didn't know that. You can do crock pot, slow cooking crock pot, and make eggs. Alright, so in here I have some hatch peppers. I might add some more, get a little more heat going on there. So I have my hatch peppers, I have some onions, I have mushrooms, and I have bacon drippings. Now, you might say, Alma, this is going to be kind of carby breakfast. You're right, it is. And I typically would not have all of this in mind. However, I told you guys that last time I went out of ketosis eating tostada chips. I've decided today I'd much rather do it eating some fruit and veggies. So my new ketone meter, my 3rd one for testing, should be in tomorrow or Tuesday. So I imagine a day or 2 of eating a higher carb, a veggie count, will probably kick me out of ketosis, and it'll be a better option than eating some tostada chips. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do, and see how that new unit works. See what I do for you guys. Just kidding, I'm doing it for me too. Let's be honest. But yeah, so let's get these sauteed down and caramelized, and yeah, I'm going to add some more peppers for sure. We like it spicy in our house. You've heard me say that before. Here we are. So I added the sausage as well as a package of spinach. I have about 16 eggs in here. Oh, it's pretty. That. Then I'm going to just let this start cooking. And it's probably going to take about 30 minutes on the stove. Yeah, I could pop this in the oven, but it's supposed to be right at 100, 102. Therefore, oven does not get turned on. Not in my house. Nope. Oh, by the way, guys, did I tell you I had a visitor yesterday? No, wasn't that time of the month. It was my son. He had to get his hair cut. School. I thought school started tomorrow, but it actually starts next Monday. So he's all excited. Can't wait to see how this turns out. Yum, 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 yum. I think it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Whew. Check that yumminess out. There we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 servings. Yum. Thank you so much for allowing me to spend time with you. If you haven't already done so, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button so that you'll know each time I post a new video. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Choice Wednesday, it's so neato. Now here's my wife to teach us keto. Pork rinds, rah, rah, rah. Carbohydrates, blah, blah, blah.